Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, we are going to be learning how to troubleshoot IQ option login problems. Let's say you are trying to log into your IQ options account and you are not being able to do that. The most common reason is entering the wrong email or phone number and password. So first of all, open a web browser and type in iqoption.com in the URL box to end up in the official homepage for IQ option. Now once you're inside, go to the top right corner and click on the login button. Once you do that, you'll come across this login interface. Whenever you don't remember your password while logging into your account, you will not be able to log into your account. So, in that case, all you need to do is to click on the Forgot Password link to reset your password. Make sure that your email or phone number is correct and you remember it. Now click on Forgot Password, and on the next page you'll need to enter your email or phone number associated with your IQ option account. After typing down your credential, click Continue and you'll receive a password reset link sent to your email address. Open up your email service provider's inbox on a new tab. You'll receive an email from IQ option, click on it and click on the reset password link to follow through the instruction and reset to a new password. After following through the prompts, you'll get to enter a new password for your account. Sometimes login problems can be caused by cached data in your browser. So in that case, go ahead and click on the three dot right at the top right corner to open up the settings menu. And from here, choose the settings option from your browser and then look for the privacy search and services from the left hand menu and select clear browsing data. Now, right next to clear browsing data, select choose what to clear and then choose cached images and files from the options. And if you want to delete the browsing history as well, you can select browsing history, but don't click any other options from the page, and finally click on clear now. Right after you do that, you will be able to clear your cache or browsing data from your web browser. Right after you do that, you might be able to fix your issue. Another thing you must make sure is you have connected your device to a stable internet connection. Sometimes not having a stable internet will also keep you from logging into your account smoothly. So those were some of the troubleshooting methods you could try out if you're not being able to log into your IQ options account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.